Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a pop-out portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my models image over here, and the first thing I'll do is to make a selection of my model. So I'll select my models layer, then I'll right click and select the object selection tool. Now I'll gently draw around the models layer to make a selection of it. It doesn't have to be a perfect selection. So nice. Now let's wait for Photoshop to make the selection for us. Nice. So now we have a perfect selection over here. And with the selection active, what I'll do is I'll left click this side to add the layer mask to it. Then I'll just rasterize it and right click and apply my layer mask. So now what I'll do is I'll press Command J or Ctrl J to duplicate the models layer, turn off the visibility of the top line, then select the background layer, right click and select the ellipse tool, hold down the shift key and then left click and hit the drag to draw a circle. So let's go with something like this. When we are done, just reposition it. So I'll be going with something like this. Let me reduce the size of my ellipse shape a little bit. So something like this okay. Yeah, something like this okay for me. And then I would like to change the color of the ellipse shape. So I'll double click here. Then pick a color from the shapes, and then I'll go with the bright color. Yeah, something like this is okay for me. Then click on OK. So when you are done, select the bottom cutout layer, right click and then select Create Clipping Mask to clip it into the ellipse shape that we created. Now that we've clipped it into the ellipse shape, turn on the visibility of the top cutout models layer, select it and then add a layer mask. So after adding the layer mask, what we'll do is select the brush tool over here, then make sure the foreground color is set to black, not white. So I'll just click here to change it. So now you see that my foreground color is set to black. Then what I'll do is I'll increase my brush size a little bit. Then let me increase the brush size once again. Then I'll gently clean this side to clear it. Nice. So what I'll do is let's select these three layers. Press Command J, Ctrl J to pick them. And press Command T or Ctrl T and then just resize it. So something like this. Okay guys, so this is how to create a pop-out portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others. See you in the next video.